And we saw him right behind him. Looks like Tony Breitinger had a little bit of contact as well.
She got damaged. We mentioned Tanner Gray. That 15 truck has really gotten beaten up in this race.
Really nice job by Daniel Dye. As always, Daniel Dye gives us great pictures. Oh, wow.
Unbelievable impact.
Daniel had no idea there was going to be a truck right in front of him when he went down that. Oh,
clear low only.
Thank you, Daniel.
Clear up.
He's right behind Corey Heim. That's Corey in that red truck right ahead of him.
Where'd you say Corey started?
Check out here. Get down.
Corey Heim. Spin's going to be.
No mo. Can use it up on exit. Back her down. To the bottom.
You got it.
Maybe on the outside looking in when it comes to a top 10 finish. Doesn't have one yet this year.
That's a terrible feeling. Picture this. Oh, yeah.
You knew he would.
Look at him getting it woe down before he got in the back of Grant Enfinger.
Nice heads-up move by Dan. Could have gone wrong. See Daniel Dye on the inside of Stuart Friesen. That's where the contact that sent Stuart around.
And then that punted him. Maybe as you see the 18 swinging wide.
Zilisch was knocking on the door of the top.
And we saw Majeski do that.
Taylor Gray was another one of the drivers that did that.
What a day for Taylor Gray. So many problems ups and downs.
Another spin by Connor Zilisch.
Just got in a little hotter than Spencer did. In there and tries to duck to the bottom, and then does he clip the curb?
If he clipped the curb or just buzzed the tires a little bit and around it went.
See Raja.
Do we lose our front bumper camera?
What he sees. Oh, barely enough room to slip through there. All this smoke go up, Bill.
Remember, nice move to the outside by Daniel.
He saw that opening. I knew he was going to be right on that gas. You got to get out of there.
Oh. 3 wide top. Just 2 wide with him inside. Easy. Get low.
5 just got loose, it looked like, Michael, didn't it?
What about Matt? See what Ben sees. Oh. Wow, how about that? Seas just parted and away he went.
Corey thought for a moment about going to the inside, then he said, see Sanchez right in front of Ty. You see those trucks get together right in front, and Ty just woes it down. He just stops it so he can drive through here at Elite. There's the contact right there.
That's where it was close.
And you see right behind Clint, Jack goes off the ring. Looked like he wiggled as he tried to get down in the corner. Looked like the 71 of Raja wiggled a little bit. Tanner doing a nice job avoiding that.
Guy next to last. Here you see Daniel Dye coming into the scene, getting us some good shots.
A resident cameraman, always on the spot.
This is from Tanner Gray's Onboard.
Low. Turn down.
Great job by the spotter. Low, turn down.
Shallow. Half off. Yellows out. Got one outside wall and 2 inside.
He came along with nowhere to go.
That's a flat tire.
That's a flat tire right there. He's doing his best to try to keep it straight. Unfortunately, Caden Honeycutt.
That's painful.
Yeah. We saw him move to the inside, and I'm just not sure what caused that truck to be a hard wreck. Man. Saw Corey Heim drive by on the grass. Below lane rigs.
Makes my bones hurt just listening.
Oh, there was definitely contact. Turned him sideways into the grass, and he just kept with it.
See Daniel hands off back there. Johnny Sauter gets involved.
Against the inside wall. You can see how his right side handle die down way off the racetrack.